I'm Jerry Posnack, Managing Director of Jeeves, Manhattan's foremost luxury dry cleaning brand, and this is how to get wrinkles out of viscose. Viscose is a fabric that's a little bit tricky to work with. Being in the rayon family, it's made of wood pulp. It's not the easiest thing in the world to iron. So let's go through the steps. Step one would be to get your home iron and set it to the low setting. Usually a synthetic setting would be appropriate. You want to fill it with some water so we can use some steam. With viscose, I recommend turning the garment inside out and pressing it from the opposite side. That'll prevent any sort of problem with fabric shine. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. Step two would be to make sure the iron is warm and to gently iron the whole piece in the way that you would normally press a shirt or a blouse or whatever you're pressing. If the garment is a dark color, we're going to use what's called a press cloth. We're going to take a piece of fabric, preferably something made out of muslin. We're going to lay that onto the garment and press through this. This is to prevent something which is called fabric shine. Fabric shine is when the fabric gets shiny from pressing with a hot iron. With viscose, you also want to make sure that the iron doesn't spit out water, or if you spray water on it, you're going to end up with water marks. When you're done pressing the garment, step four would be to take the garment, hang it up on a hanger, and let it dry for a few seconds so that the wrinkles don't reoccur. As viscose is a little bit tricky, it's important for you to know the steps that we just outlined. Remember, if you're ironing something that's dark colored in viscose, you want to use that press fabric. You want to make sure you don't have fabric shine. And once again, if there are spots or stains, don't iron it, have it cleaned first.